first thing we gotta do is take apart the old truck, or take off the Kingpin. It's gonna be a little bit tricky because the bolt is pretty worn down. I don't know how it got like that. I don't know who did this. There we go. There's the bolt, what's left of it. Here's the washer. Here's the bushing. You can see this is really why I'm changing this. I'm really changing the bushings. But in order to do that, I'm gonna have to change the Kingpin too. So there it is. We're gonna have to bang this out. There we go. See these little bumps that keeps the bolt from spinning in the base plate. So the new Kingpin is not gonna have that. I'll show you why. See right here where it's just cracked, and the bottom one here you can see there's like chunks. Probably use a new pivot cup too, but cross that bridge at a later time. I realized that I had them upside down, so I'm gonna flip them over. And the problem with flipping them over is that the bolts on the bottom is not, you can't lock it in. There's nothing to hold it. So as soon as you start to tighten it, hold on. It starts to spin. bottom. So I need to put some Gorilla Glue on this and see if that works. Alright YouTube, so we have a problem here. We got the Krux Kingpin, but we have an independent truck, and there's nothing to hold this bolt. So I'm going to try some Gorilla Glue and see what happens. Put some Gorilla Glue on there. All the way around. Let it dry for a couple days. That should probably hold the bolt. The only problem is I won't be able to get this bolt off. I guess it's okay because the goal is to break these trucks anyways. You can imagine that. My goal is to actually break the truck. And after I break this truck, I mean, I don't really need the Kingpins because I have another set of trucks that I'm going to use that I already have set up. So the only reason why I'm putting this on there is to hold it so that way I can tighten it from the top. So I have a feeling this is going to work because it doesn't need that much strength to hold the bolt, so I can turn the one on top. So we'll check back tomorrow and see how strong it holds, and then I'll just tighten it down, and then I can put the trucks on, and I can adjust the tightness of the trucks too. Alright, so we're in the final stage of this video. I don't know if you can see, there's actually glue inside this base plate. It's Gorilla Glue. So I'm hoping that's going to hold the bolt there, and so that way I could tighten this on top while the truck is bolted to my board. So I'll be able to adjust it even though it's bolted. Usually you can't do that on this Krux Kingpin on an Indy truck because there's nothing here to hold the bolt on the bottom. It'll just spin. So once you put it on your board, if you don't like it, you have to take it off, hold this with a wrench, a socket or whatever, and turn this. So to avoid that, I just super glued it, basically Gorilla glued it, and I should be able to adjust this if I need to. My goal is to just basically break this hanger because that's what I've been wanting to do for a while. You can see it used to say creature right there until I grinded it down. So anyways, let's see. And I put some new bushings. These are Indy bushings, but these are Krux Kingpins. So put this on my board. I'm gonna put these on this reissue M80, it's called, Aaron Murray board that I've been riding for a while, just so I could break this truck and finish these bad boys off, hang them on the wall.